Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to today's video. My name's Marybeth Angiolelli with IKeepItAll, and I have some really important and super exciting information to share with you. Yesterday was Monday, the 17th of October. Went out to my mailbox and I found a very exciting piece of mail from Nutty Mike with IKeepItAll. So I want to just go ahead and share with you some of the new updates and what's going on with IKeepItAll, the new enhancements. It's truly going to help all existing members of IKeepItAll and especially all new members who decide to get started and join with us. Okay, you're going to absolutely love these add-ons. This just brings more value to this amazing program. Okay, so inside was a 6-page newsletter. Okay, highlighting all the enhancements with great news. Okay, and it starts off by saying we have totally enhanced and powered up the fulfillment package and added those to our new beefed up recession buster postcards. Okay, so IKeepItAll has recently decided to add some more great contents and values and some gems that you'll be finding in your marketing packages when you join the program going forward, okay? It's right here at the top of the newsletter, okay? And then it goes on to say Nutty Mike has done it again. Now in the fulfillment package, this is what my fulfillment package, which is referred to as our marketing kit, our marketing package looks like, okay? Comes directly priority mail from the company when you join, and it contains everything you need inside with a full blueprint, all the information, resources, leads for you to utilize when you're getting started with your program to help you position yourself for the best results with IKeepItAll, okay? So going forward, all new members in the fulfillment package, we now have doubled our mailing list leads. When I joined, I received 10,000 leads on a flash drive, okay? It looks just like this right here, okay? On a flash drive, my 10,000 leads, okay? Now, for all new members, they have doubled the lead to 20,000, okay? We've also added over $5,000 in new marketing tools, and that's really exciting, folks. And as you can clearly see, the IKeepItAll $1,000 postcard program is only getting better. Absolutely is, okay? IKeepItAll $1,000 postcard system is only getting better. We highly recommend that you purchase a sample package of all of these new enhancements, including the new precious gems, okay? And then you can use this new marketing package with the tools and the resources and the information to help you when you're advertising, especially if you're using social media, any form of social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. You know, this is a postcard program, but you're not limited or restricted to just mailing out postcards and using postcards. You can expand your creativity and expand your horizons and take your marketing off to any social media platform. For me personally, I love YouTube in addition to the postcards, of course, okay? And I do a little bit of Facebook marketing, but YouTube is something that I have been able to leverage for many, many years with great success. And that can absolutely help you to position yourself if you decide to do and incorporate YouTube marketing into your marketing mix for IKeepItAll, okay? I've been doing YouTube marketing since like 2007. So it absolutely works, folks, and it is free. Okay, that's probably the biggest benefit of YouTube marketing. You don't have to pay for YouTube ads, folks. You can get really great results with just doing free videos. All right. So with that being said, folks, this is going to be an option in the new fulfillment package for new members. Okay, they're adding a lot of great value. Okay, in terms of marketing tools, in terms of mailing lists, they've doubled the 10,000 now to 20,000 for all new members going forward, and they've added some really special gems to the mix. Okay, and you can actually acquire this package. It's available to purchase it, okay, through the company. So you'll find that within the newsletter. And then now they made a special announcement that the admin fee, due to the inflation and all of that, has increased from $2.99 to $3.99, but for a limited time they are still honoring the $2.99 price, so no worries whatsoever. They're going to honor the postcards with the admin fees that you've already have printed until they run out. So again, no worries, folks. And then the admin fee now is going to be locked in and will not go up again. So I just wanted to get that special notation out. So this is the front of the newsletter. And the back side, they've added some great marketing options that are available for the existing and new members that want to take advantage of them. There's been a new auto rotator feature that's been added on the websites that can potentially help you to really increase your sales. Okay, so you can read up all on that, which is the new auto rotator feature added to the websites for a potential increase in your sales volume with IKeepItAll. And then also there is a new YouTube customization video option with your own call to action that you can order directly from the company. So this is a secondary marketing option available to you. So we have the auto rotator and we have the customized YouTube video that you can access and order to help you to increase your sales volume and get more signups with IKeepItAll. Okay, so that's first and foremost. Now IKeepItAll has added more postcards, okay? Actually, over 20 different designs and color schemes, folks. Super, super exciting. So here's the new order form. And these are for the Jumbo 6x9 designer postcards, all right? That's the back side with your ordering information. This is the front side, and there's over 20 different samples to pick from. Everything from Neon Twist, Ferrari Red, Pink Orange Explosion, Neon Swirl, Sweet Tooth, Yellow Burst, just to name a few, folks, Gold Sparkle, Diamond Dust, Blue Metal. There's something literally for everybody's, interest. Okay, so you can pick your color scheme, your design, check this all out, use this as your order form and send it into the company to order more postcards. Okay, and you can order anything from 1,000 all the way up to 20,000 in quantity. Okay, so just wanted to let you know that. And last but not least, this is our last piece of information contained, and there are new lists now that have been added for members to take advantage of to order for your marketing and for your postcard mailings, okay, and to help you with increasing your sales. So we have the green list, okay, and this is a new process that has been added that you can plug into and order from the company to get the green list, okay, to help you with a specific marketing method. And then on the back side, okay, there is a new mailing list option available for only 2 cents per name. Super affordable, folks, called the Gold Label List, that is now available to help you with your postcard mailings. And then recently they added the Gold Priority Email List. So if you're into email marketing, folks, you now have an option to reach prospective buyers to share IKeepItAll via email marketing, okay? So we have, again, a new mailing list. The Gold Label List has recently been added to the addition of available lists for only 2 cents per name, okay? And then there's now a new Gold Priority Email List option. And then there's also the green list marketing option. So all of this will be contained within your mailbox. And for new members joining, all of this will be part of your new fulfillment marketing kit package. Super, super exciting, folks. What I've done is I put the link to my website, which you're looking at right now, and you can go ahead and enter your email, click on Show Me How. You'll be able to go inside, get more information, see some real proof from me, folks, that this program, if you put your mind to it, folks, you commit to the process, remain consistent with your marketing, great things can be happening for you too, folks. This program has truly been a blessing. It's helping so many people out there to improve their financial situation. You can be next, folks, but remember, nothing happens until you take action. So what I've done, I put the link to my website, my contact information. If you are serious and if you're seriously interested, you can certainly reach out to me. I have been doing direct mail order marketing, postcard marketing since 2015. I've had great success. I've been able to actually carve out myself a nice little niche in this direct mail order space. And I absolutely love direct mail order postcard marketing. So I've been at this a long time, folks. I definitely can help you, especially getting set up in position with this program called I Keep It All. I'm putting the instructions for getting started. I'm going to specifically specify them in the description so you can review that. My cell phone will be listed 330-787-1795. Text or call me anytime if you have any questions. I'm here to help you to get started. Once you get started, we'll connect on the phone, we'll have a strategy session, and I will share with you everything that I am utilizing to continue to get great results with I Keep It All, folks. You can do this program offline, you can do this program online, you can combine the best of both worlds and do this online and offline. The choice is totally yours, folks. You can get creative, you can have fun with this, you can take it out to social media, any social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, just to name a few, or you can mail the postcards just 100% offline, whatever your preference is, folks. Or you can elect to combine the best of both worlds. That's totally up to you, folks. It works from all perspectives, all avenues, folks. There's so many people out there these days that need extra income. This is a great way to increase your cash flow because for every person that signs up with you and that you personally enroll, you get to keep it all. $1,000 payments can be coming directly to you, to your mailbox with I Keep It All. Okay, so check out my website. Contact me by text or phone. Give me a call, folks. That's the best way to reach me. My personal cell will be listed. Again, 330-787-1795. I'm going to highlight all of the specific instructions to getting started, what you need to do, and I look forward to hopefully welcoming you very soon to I Keep It All, welcoming you to my team, and in advance, wishing you nothing but the best, folks. Thank you so much. This is our busy season in the home-based business industry. It's the direct mail order boom season. For those of you who have been involved in direct mail, you know that these next couple of months are absolutely vital to your success in direct mail order marketing, to position yourself, to get to work, get busy, and have fun and help other people in the process, folks. That's what it's all about. And you can do exactly that. This program is nothing short of a blessing, a true financial blessing to all of those who are actively working this program and sharing it with others. With that being said, I'd love to welcome you in advance to I Keep It All. My name is Marybeth Angiolelli. Feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next I Keep It All video. Bye for now. Thank you so much.